Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sharday, but most people call me Shardazy, and as you can see by the title of this video, we will be talking about getting custom packaging for your business. So if you are interested, keep watching. So y'all, first off, I don't think you have to have a lot of, not necessarily you don't have to have these things, but I don't think you have to have custom poly mailers to have a successful business. You don't have to have custom stuff. I think it just adds to the quality of your business, and I think it's pretty. I think people are like, oh, like I think almost everybody is a sucker for packaging, so why not just go that extra mile, especially if it doesn't cost much to do so. I'm gonna show you guys what I have. First, I have custom poly mailers. So they say hello beautiful, and then there's me. My friend made me into an animated figure. And then it has my website at the bottom. These are 10 by 13. So these are those, and then they just, you peel this off in the back and shut them like that. So those are my poly mailers. I have custom stickers, so, or not stickers, well I do have stickers, but tape. So if I ship out a box, or if I ship out anything that needs to be taped, I just tape it, and it just says shardazy.com, and it has my little animated gal. I'll post a picture if you guys can't really see this. I can't tell. I think you can kind of see it, but it just says shardazy.com on there. It has my little girl on it. I also do have stickers. So this is my sticker, which is me in animated form, and it's cut out of me. So if I take this off, it's just gonna be the outline of me, obviously. And then I have hang tags. Here are my hang tags. They say looking good at the top, and then it says tag us, and it has my social media handles, and it has my little girl again. And lastly, I have my business cards, which pretty much look like my hang tag, I guess, but has my name on there, number, website, social media handles. So I will say the two websites I use are Sticker Mule and Got Print. I love Got Print. I use them for so many things. I also have postcards that go in my packages just to say thank you and give people a discount code, but those are on the way. I had to buy new ones because I ran out, but I use Sticker Mule and Got Print. Both of those companies super fast, and one thing about Sticker Mule is that they always have like random deals. So I remember when I got my stickers, they were like 100 stickers for $9, and then I got my tape recently, and it was, I think this is 100-foot long, and it was, I think, like $19, I want to say. And I'll have to see how much these were, but again, they always have deals, which is what kind of catches me, because I always catch a deal and I'm like, oh perfect, I'll just get that. So that's one thing I love about them. And then with Got Print, I love them because they're super fast. They're great price, great quality. I've used them since I started my business, and I've never had an issue. They send you, both of these companies send you proofs. So you create, I'll show you guys how I do it, but I create my designs in Canva, and I download them as a PNG. And then in both companies, you just insert whatever you want as your, say, whatever I wanted my business cards to look like, or my stickers to look like. You just put it in there, and they'll show you a proof of what it'll look like, and you can either decline it, or you can say like, no, this is perfect, and it'll go into process. But so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do that, and that'll be that. Alright, so first we are going to go to Got Print. They have a wide variety of things, such as hang tags, um, business cards, of course. You can pretty much make anything on here. So first we are going to start off with our business cards. I always do standard, but you can see they have a few other things. So the standard size is 2 by 3.5, which you guys can see right up there. You could also change it if you want it to be something else. So you just go into Canva, and put that in as your size. Once that populates, you can pretty much make your business card look however you want it to look. So I'll just quickly show you guys what mine somewhat looks like. And basically when you are done, you will download it as a PNG. You could do another file, but I like to do PNG. And on Got Print, you upload the front, so you will just drag and drop your completed file in there. Once it loads, it'll show you these with parameters, which you can take off if you wanted to see what it looked like. So the blue line and the red line shows where it'll be cropped. So basically you just make sure it doesn't bleed or anything, and then you will put your initials in. It'll let you know how much it is, and then you will get a confirmation. Next, we are going to go into Sticker Mule. It's pretty much the same process. So here we're doing the tape that I have, which is 100 foot long. So when I go in here, I am going to just go to create a new design, and I will do custom dimensions. So I am going to do 10 by 3, because obviously if you do 100 on there, it's not gonna work. So I did 10 by 3 inches, of course, and it just again pops up, and because it is 100, it'll stretch out, and because it's 3 inches, I feel like that's like the perfect amount. You could do smaller or bigger depending on what your things looks like. So here I'm just quickly going in and making my tape. And again, I'm going to download it as a PNG, and then I'm going to switch back over to the Sticker Mule website. And once you get in there, you pick your quantity, and then again you just drag and drop the file that you want to use for your item that you're making. And after you upload it, it'll let you know that it's been successfully uploaded, and it'll let you know your price. You do checkout. Following that, you will get an email, and the email will just let you know that your proof is, or that they received your order, and then your proof is ready, so that you can see what it looks like and decide. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, my shirt says support small businesses. I will link this like right here. I don't know if they have any more, but I really do like this. I'll show you guys the back if you can see it. But it just has like share your post, comment. It's just like kind of like a receipt of things that don't cost anything for you to support. And while you're here, check out my website. My website is linked in the description box. It is shardaisy.com. And thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you all are doing well, and I will see you next time. Bye.